Hey everybody, Josh Hudson here at Hudson Autoworks, Greensboro, North Carolina. Here today we have a 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute car, 350 with a 4-speed manual transmission, black interior, bucket seats. For sale here at Hudson Autoworks, Greensboro, North Carolina. We did have wheels put on this vehicle. It's got a US mag wheel. We did a 275 tire on the back and a 235 on the front to give it that staggered feel. These are brand new wheels and tires added to this vehicle. Very, very clean. No rust underneath this vehicle. It's definitely not rusted out up in these run channels. That's something where you find these things common to rust out. This car is free and clear of rust. It has been repainted, but whoever did do the repaint did a very solid job. All the doors open up and shut very, very nicely. The paint's in very good condition. If you look down the side, it's like a mirror. I mean, this is in very good condition for what it is. I would say with a few little minor tweaks, you could take this thing to a car show and you'd be ready to roll. There is one defect back here at the bottom. We did have that touched up. I'm guessing it's probably where a rock hit, coming from a tire. Blended in very nicely. 71 Chevrolet Nova. Beautiful, beautiful car. This thing really takes you back to 1971. If you had this car in 1971, you were doing something. Clean under the hood. I mean, this does have headers on it, and they do dump right at the rear end, so it has that nice sound when you are driving it. Clean as a pin. The bumpers are painted. They're painted to match the wheels, so they do match. They are not chrome. Very, very clean. Runs and drives good, no leaks. I just love this car. I really, really do. Let's take a look inside. Black interior, bucket seats, 4-speed manual with the BNM Shifter. The headliner's in overall good shape. It could use a little love. There's one spot at the back that could be repaired. A few cosmetic issues here, but overall, as far as a driver, it's in very good condition. It does have a radio, JVC with the Pioneer speakers in the back. Starts up very well. We did give this car a tune-up. Has plugs and wires. Oil's been changed. New oil pan gasket. New valve cover gaskets. We've been through this thing and it definitely runs really good. Plays his part. Perfect Saturday driver right here. there you have it. Full walk around video here at Hudson Autoworks, Greensboro, North Carolina. 1971 Chevrolet Nova 350 SS Tribute with a 4-speed manual transmission, offered for sale. $28,000 today. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.